Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dead Cells error code 100. The error reads, Asset delivery failed unexpectedly. Please try uninstalling the game, clearing Google Play cache and storage, then reinstall the game. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when the game encounters an issue while connecting to Google's asset delivery servers. Because of this, the download may not continue or the app may become unstable. According to our research, this is a bug on Google's side. The first thing we suggest is to uninstall the game and then clear the Google Play Store cache and storage. Once done, reinstall the game and check for the error again. If the error still comes when reinstalling the game but do not launch it right away, the download will automatically start in the background as soon as the app is installed. Depending on your OS version, you may also see a notification regarding the background download. Wait for it to complete and then launch the game. Check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists, make sure the Google Play Services app is up to date. This app is required for features like cloud saves, achievements, and asset delivery. Once updated, check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, make sure the Google Play Store app itself is up to date. Updating ensures that the app delivery logic matches what Google servers expect. After updating, check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try clearing your phone cache. To do this, go to Settings, then go to Storage, then select Free Up Space, then go to the temporary and raw files, then select Cached Data and select Delete. Then check if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then you should reach out to the support team through the in-game chat or use the contact form provided and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.